Hello, it's nice to see you again. In this video, I would like to describe about COBAN TALUN Waterfall. We know that the name of COBAN TALUN refers to a waterfall tourist attraction. Yes, there is a large waterfall, which is the headwaters of the Brantas River. COBAN TALUN is managed by a Perhutani and works with private parties that provided vehicles that entertain tourists. The COBAN TALUN object combines natural tourism and attributical tourism, so it can serve tours for various ages, interests, or needs. For visitors still to see the waterfall, once arrive at the location, make the waterfall the main object to be enjoyed. After that, please enjoy other races. Why? Because the natural beauty of the waterfall is irreplaceable. From the location of the parking lots, the visitor must walk down about 1 kilometer to the waterfall. The scenery along the route is very beautiful. Through the hillside, exotic mountain panorama with a pine forest. Typical jungle animal sounds combined with the breeze and sound of the waterfall waves. Very comfortable to enjoy. On half the journey, there will be a sweet waterfall flowing into the river valley. The visitor don't need to worry about being tired or tired. That's so cool and comfortable place. This very comfortable natural atmosphere will entertain. Walking is relaxed around the waterfall, and not in a hurry, but be careful because the road has a steep drop. A 4 or 5 years old must be comfortable with a friendly forest environment. You who are 50 and 60 years old are also comfortable with practicing on foot, while she's enjoy the grandchildren. The others is many middle-aged visitors. Some are husband or wife, or the mother of the children and grandchildren is okay. Once again, distance is only 1 kilometer, not too far away. Well, once arrive at the location to the waterfall. Yes, and then the visitor must be amazed by the nature and valleys around the waterfall. The geology of the COBAN TALUN is performed by endangered rock and throughout the process of the volcanic eruption. The flow of the waterfall ranges 4,000 to 2,000 liters, about 35 meters, creating a fog of moisture on the large scale. This can endanger a visitor when approaching. The large rock near the waterfall seem to be the witness monument to the majesty of the nature. And then the visitor take advantage of the extensive location around the waterfall for the rest and various activities. There is enough space and to just sit, rest while chatting. This location is also right for inviting well-practiced students or practicums, as I have done. Well, for those who like to take pictures, especially young people, and many places can be chosen starting in the river, rocks, the head near the waterfall, and then everything is interesting and extraordinary. And also the visitor must be vigilant and careful because in some places it is slippery and wet by the waterfall or water vapor. And then this I think is very recommended place for the vacation. When you have a long time, so you can visit this place. It's very wonderful and I like it. I enjoy this place very much. Okay, I think that's all for this video, and I hope